All right, what you're looking at here is a 2015 Kia Sedona EX. That's the worst part of it. The rest of it looks pretty darn good. Got it pretty cheap at an auction due to the damage up front. So, gonna open it up real quick. I've already put a new battery in the key fob. It needs a little detailing. Smells like stale McDonald's in here. But we're gonna pop the hood and try to get a battery, jumper cables on the battery so we can get things to start and such.
Watching jack stands and cinder blocks.
All right, we finally figured out what the smell inside the car is. A little bit of kibble. So yeah, we got some fur to clean up and stuff. You know, like I said, it needed detailed real bad. We have found this pops out, and that's charges off the car, and that's a little flashlight. These you can one hand. And I've learned I gotta release that. There we go. One hand. Try it one more time. There we go. And then something else to show you guys. All right, we got just a thick layer of dust, a straw. Not sure what they had Velcroed to the dash here. I'm going to see if I can't get that cleaned up and removed. I don't know what that is. Looks like some overspray from, I don't know. But, you know, some of this has got a little wear and tear. No biggie. It does start and run. Radiator needs replaced. Big screen for the camera and entertainment stuff, all that. A little, I don't know what's going on here. We'll clean that up. So it just generally needs a good deep cleaning. Yes, our shop pet has come in here to investigate why it smells like dog food, and that's actually why I discovered it had dog food. Is she was sniffing around at it, and I was like, hey, wait, there's some kibble there. So anyway, y'all behave. We'll catch you in the next one. It's dusty. It's been sitting for several months. And it was, you know, probably driven by a parent that had several kids that made kid messes. And they also had some fur babies. Hence the reason there's kibble in the back floorboard. Alright, I'm out here at the Kia Sedona. I cleaned up the front floorboard, but I couldn't reach all that, so I took the seat out. Looks like we'll get it a lot cleaner now. And then, that's a giant floor mat there. Kind of afraid to see what's at the edges, but we'll get to that here shortly. It looks like somebody just loved their coffee and just did not know how to drive without spilling coffee. It's all over the inside door panels, parts of the dash, and now the console between the seats. Alright, just so you have a good before and after. This is after I scrubbed under the seat, scrubbed and vacuumed. Looks a lot better. We hadn't done that back floorboard yet. That's part of that's a floor mat, but as you can imagine, seeing where those seams are, yeah, it's going to be ugly under there too. We're going to go ahead and do the passenger side front first. Go ahead and bolt the driver's seat back down. We'll go pull the passenger seat and keep going. I think there's more change into this seat than any of them so far. Usually they leave dimes and occasional pennies. There's 2 quarters, a dime, and a penny. Another quarter and a penny, a chicken nugget, smoothie vanilla, and some dog chew toy, and a tape measure. Alright, so this is for the mid row. The seats that can do the tilt thing and all that stuff up front, so you can walk in to get to the back row. Right along there seems to be a lot of coffee stains. It's still sticky and has a brown coffee-like residue. In fact, the backside of it's probably, yeah, it's got some, whatever was in the coffee, you know, your milk and creamers and all that. Yeah, it's gonna get some scrubbing. I'll pause. All right, so this is right where that came from. Like I said, this was probably the milk, creamer, sugar, all that stuff. I don't think this is all from the accident or the day of the accident, because there's way too much coffee in this vehicle that has spilled. This hatch says spare tire. I was Googling it the other day as under the impression that around 2009 Kia quit putting spares in their vehicles. But so I mean, there's a little cranky crank, and that cover said spare tire, and that was in the mid row right behind the floor mat. So we got some vacuuming to do, some detailing. We'll spray some extra right there, and we'll vacuum, and we'll brush and vacuum there, and then we'll spray. All these tracks are pretty full of crud, but you know what? It's just needed a deep cleaning. You know, I mean, the vehicle runs, and after I do some deep cleaning, it'll be a really nice vehicle again. So far, I found a couple of these guys. I think they might be one of those Nerf shootable balls, and then a couple Legos. That's what I currently have right here, and a handful of change. So, you know, as I go along and clean, this is what I've found. You know, lots of change. Not a lot of change, but a handful of change. A couple Legos and two of those guys. Okay, I'm cleaning onto the mid-row seats. Notice a color pattern with like the paper products. Is that just not coffee stained? I think this vehicle has coffee stains everywhere. That's coffee in the paper that's under the seats. There's a leaf or two, but and a petrified, you know, French fry or two. Like I said, initially it smelled like stale French fries or stale McDonald's. But why do we have coffee stains this far back? The driver sits up there. How do we get coffee back here? Are they letting their kids drink coffee? Alright, I admit, may have been just dark soda, but this is what the same thing the coffee stains look like when I'm scrubbing them out from under the driver's seat. You know, this is just brown fluid that's matted into the carpet, and we're trying to scrub as much out as we can to get the carpet to be less sticky and less brown, since it's probably a black or gray carpet. You know, got coffee stuck on the brain because we scrubbed so much coffee stains out from under the driver and passenger side seats. These are a few of the before and after pictures of why this car will now be known as the Koffee Kia. Thanks for stopping by, and y'all behave. We'll see you in the next one.